Hey, Sean here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the 7. So in Tykr, you see a few ratings, including the summary, the score, the margin of safety, and the 4M. Well, as I phrase it, the 7 kind of rolls everything up and puts a bow on it to really know if a stock is a good or bad investment. So in this case, let's go ahead. I'll share my screen and we'll take a look at the 7. Now I'm taking a look at Comfort Systems, ticker symbol is FIX. And if you go to the 7, you can actually see the high score is 7. If you can get above 5, that's really good. So here we go. The pro tip at the top says the 7 are the 7 easy steps to find a strong stock. The purpose is to add an extra layer of confidence to your stock research process. The goal is to find stocks equal or greater than 5. All right, so you scroll down, you can see it rolls everything up. So you have the summary, of course, we're aiming for on sale. Score, you want to get anything that's 50 or higher. Margin of safety, you want to aim for anything that's 50% or higher. 4M, you want to aim for anything that's 80 or higher. Then 5-year returns, we like to find stocks that are beating the market. S&P over 5 years returns about 80%, give or take. Then you have the EPS is increasing. We like to see 3/4 where it's increasing. The reason we look at this is large institutions like to see businesses increasing their profits quarter over quarter. So that's why we like to see 3/4 in a row. And then you have your EPS earnings estimate. We like to see where the earnings are beat 3/4 in a row. This is very similar to the previous, which is institutions like to see stocks beating those earnings estimates. So in this case, you can see that Comfort Systems is a 6 out of 7. Pretty solid. Now to go a step further, we added the 7 as a filter on the stocks page. So going here, I'll show you this real quick. Let's clear our filter. We can see at this moment we have about 54,000 stocks in Tykr. This number is always changing because stocks are going public and going back to private almost every day. So let's make sure this column is turned on. Go to personalize, then make sure the 7 is turned on. And then you can see the order. I like to arrange stocks. I like to see company, and the summary, score, margin of safety, 4M, and then the 7. So you can see here it's all ready to go. Let's click apply. And then let's go to the 7 and let's see what we get. So let's go between 5 and 7 and see how many we get. So we reduce 54,000 down to 1,000. Pretty good. Let's go a step further here. Let's change that from 5 to 7. So only stocks that hit all 7. All right, 18. That's pretty hard to get to. So if you're looking for some strong stocks, try to use the 7 to really help increase your confidence.